So I must confess that I've not grown up eating ghee, and I've only included it in my diet in the past couple of years, and that's only because Rujuta keeps saying how great it is for you. And what's ghee? Ghee is basically clarified butter, clarified as in the milk solids have been removed from the butter, and all you're left with is just the fat. It's beautiful, it's delicious, and it's really, really nutty. And hey, if it's so delicious and it's good for you, then why not have it, right? And making ghee is so easy. All you need is butter and 15 minutes of your time. So let's dive in. So this is a story about how Mr. Butter, Makhan Singh, became ghee. Now, Makhan Singh had a dream of getting to be healthier. He really wanted to lose some weight, become all glowing and shiny, and get to a better place. But he didn't want to go through the process of it and all the hard work of it. But we all know that dreams don't come true by magic. You have to work at it, and you have to go through the process. So we're going to help the lazy Mr. Makhan Singh become ghee. So we'll put him in a pan and heat it. Now we're going to make sure that the temperature is set to a medium or a medium low flame, because we don't want to burn Mr. Makhan Singh. Now in the 15 minutes, you will see Mr. Makhan Singh revolt. He's going to start by melting and getting down on his knees and pleading with you to stop. But you're going to ignore it and you're going to keep going. Why? Because we want to help Mr. Makhan Singh become ghee. And then when he sees all the begging and the pleading is not going anywhere, he's going to get super angry and he's going to froth and foam and foam and froth some more. But you're not going to budge in. And then when he sees he's not making much headway with you, he's going to give up and the foam and the froth will start to subside. All the unhealthy weight in the form of the milk solids will sink to the bottom and they will become golden brown in color. And that's when you'll switch off the gas. And the clouds of anger would have gone away to reveal the gloriously golden ghee. Yes, Mr. Makhan Singh has finally become ghee. Then all that is left to do is to strain the waste and put the ghee in a nice jar. And that's the story of how Mr. Butter became ghee. Isn't it so easy peasy? Just get your own butter and make your own ghee. Don't waste money buying it.